Your AeroPrice Dynamics has finalized the settings, parameters, protocols guiding its proprietary system. Our ultimate goal is to help retail traders improve their own methods, gain fresh perspectives, and trade with more consistent profits. And to follow our Forex market analysis, it would be immensely helpful for you to familiarize yourself with the terminology we used to describe price action. You need to know the AeroPrice Dynamics treats price as a vessel moving through airspace measured by altitude, velocity, acceleration, and time-based kinematics. We replace the typical horizontal and vertical trend lines used by many seasoned retail and institutional traders with directional belts of price distribution. These belts form nested, matryoshka-style layers. Lower time frame movements must align with the bias of higher time frame structures before any trade is taken. This layered organization reflects the system's compatibility with concepts known as the fractal market hypothesis and cycle theory, which treat the market as a hierarchy of overlapping waves whose harmonically related cycles combine to form the larger tide. However, for public analysis, we still show traditional trend lines in the style of Gareth Soloway and Brad Gilbert to protect our intellectual property. That said, imagine a flight simulator here. Price is the aircraft, the market is the sky, and price action is how the vessel navigates various air currents, different flows that push and pull the craft. The main current we track is the jet stream, the dominant trend. It defines the true long-term direction. We measure price's position, velocity, and acceleration within it, but obey one rule above all. We only trade in the direction of the jet stream. Below it runs the trade wind, which carries price along and shows intraday mood. The jet stream tells us the destination. The trade wind tells us how price swings on the way there. We use the trade wind for entries. If the jet stream points north and price drifts to the lower edge, we buy low. If the jet stream points south and price rises to the upper edge, we sell high. Under the trade wind lies the regional flow, a smaller, tighter version of the same pattern. It fine-tunes where entries occur inside the larger move. It's not as powerful as the jet stream or trade wind, but helps confirm short-term conditions. Below, that is the core profit stream, the level where profit is actually made. It defines short-term pushes within the larger structures, a cash register zone guiding real trade execution. Finally comes the jet streak, short burst of speed or volatility signaling precise entry timing. It doesn't dictate direction, but pinpoints when to act, usually against a brief counter move within the flow. Think of the system as a stack. The jet stream is the major long-term trend. Never trade against it. The trade wind is the broad swing inside that trend. Find entries near the opposite edge. The regional flow consists of localized swings that refine entry zones. The core profit stream is the path for executing trades. The jet streak offers optimal timing for entries. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Always trade with the jet stream. Use the trade wind and regional flow to gauge intraday sentiment and locate value zones. Ride the move through the core profit stream and time entries using the jet streak. Everything else in our system is simply the math of quantifying these air currents: altitude, price level, velocity, speed, acceleration, change in speed, and clock time when they occur. Now, you have the bare essentials for understanding how AeroPrice Dynamics interprets the market's motion and structure. With these concepts in mind, you'll be able to follow our analyses, visualize the market's directional flow, and begin thinking like a pilot navigating the wind's price movement, rather than a passenger reacting to turbulence.